Here's my son AJ. He's 7 months old today. And how cute is he? Trying to figure out how to crawl. Yes. And he does all kinds of fun things all day long. AJ. Ooh, you like your yellow block? Yes. Yes. Look at you. Yes. We'll see if he does his yoga pose or not. This is this great thing where he goes up on the tips of his toes and his hands. Looks like downward dog. Oop. There he goes. Kinda does it. I just wanted to record what he looks like. 7 months old. And of course how ridiculously cute he is. Which of course he is. AJ, you want to wave bye-bye? Bye-bye. 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 Which he started doing. We'll see if I can get him to do it. Bye-bye.